Hello everyone, welcome to the iAnyGo channel. Many trainers often struggle to fully explore the amazing Pokémon Go content due to geographical restrictions. Today, I'll show you how to use the joystick feature in iAnyGo to move freely and make your gameplay smooth and natural. Let's get started. Download and open iAnyGo. Connect your computer and phone using both Bluetooth and a data cable. Select the fourth option in the options bar in the top right corner. Once you enter the joystick interface, a virtual joystick will appear on screen. Simply drag the joystick handle in any direction and your Pokémon Go character will instantly move. You can adjust the speed, such as walking, riding, or even driving, to create a movement experience that's as realistic as the normal gameplay. If you want to move automatically, simply drag the joystick to the edge and your character will continue moving without interruption. You can also change direction at any time by dragging the joystick again. Useful for catching Pokémon, rotating a PokéStop, or easily exploring new areas. You can also try out features like virtual location tracking and auto-catch to help you master Pokémon Go. If you want to play Pokémon Go more efficiently or explore different areas on the go, try iAnyGo. If you enjoy these helpful tips, be sure to follow the iAnyGo channel. See you next time!